If Slack is showing a cannot connect error, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through a few fast and simple fixes you can try right now. This is a really common issue, and most of the time it's caused by a slow connection, a temporary network problem, or cached browser data that needs to be cleared. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot it, step by step, and get Slack working again. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's start with the easiest check first, your internet speed. Open your browser and search for speed test. Choose a trusted speed test website and run the test. If your connection is very slow, unstable, or dropping in and out, Slack may not be able to connect properly. Even if other websites seem to load, Slack can still struggle if the connection is weak. If the speed test shows poor results, give your network a moment, restart your router if needed, or move to a stronger connection before trying Slack again. Next, try switching networks. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to a mobile hotspot if you have one available. If you're already using a hotspot, try a different Wi-Fi network. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with your current network rather than Slack itself. Sometimes a company network, school network, or home router can block or interrupt Slack connections. A quick network switch is one of the fastest ways to confirm that. After that, go back to Slack and refresh this page. If you're using Slack in your browser, a simple refresh can clear out a temporary connection glitch and force the app to reconnect. If you're using the desktop app, close it completely and reopen it. In many cases, Slack just needs a clean reload to get past the error message. If the problem is still there, the next step is to clear your browser cache. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then open Privacy and Security and select Clear Browsing Data. From there, clear the cached files and other temporary data. Old or corrupted cache files can sometimes interfere with Slack loading correctly, especially if the app has been updated or your login session has expired. After clearing the cache, restart the browser and try opening Slack again. Once you've gone through these steps, Slack should reconnect in most cases. First check your internet speed, then switch networks, refresh the page, and finally clear your cache if needed. That combination solves a lot of Slack connection problems without any complicated troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you fix the Slack cannot connect error, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides and app troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.